Today we are going to learn about action words. Yes, action. What is mean by action? Doing things is called action. Something we do, Look at these pictures. These are the actions we do in our life. Yes, something we do. Look at these pictures. Something we do, something we do. That is called actions. Yes, look at this first picture. The boy is kicking the ball. What is the action here? Kick. The boy drinks water. What is the action here? Drink. The boy climbs somewhere else. So what is the action here? Climb. This boy is sleeping. What is the action here happening? Sleep. What the boy is doing? Something reading. Something do. What is the action here? Read. Yes. These are the action words. Now I am going to give one activity. Yes. Do with me. Look at these pictures and match the action to the word. Yes. Look at the first picture. What action is happening? Jumping. Jump. Where is the word jump? Yes. Jump. See this picture? The boy is pushing the door. What action is happening here? Pushing the door. What action? Push. Push. Yes. See this picture? The boy is holding something in his hand. Yes. What action is happening here? Hold. Hold. Hold something in his hand. Yes, action word is hold. H-O-L-D, hold. Look at this picture. See this hand. Something picking, Picking. What action? Pick. See this boy? Running, Running. What action is happening? Running. Run. The action word, run. See this girl. What she is doing? She is cleaning the floor. What action is happening here? Clean. The action word, clean. These are the action words. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.